Hi, I'm Jeremy Hodge. I'm the Managing Director and owner of Cherwell, and we've been working with Excel Training and Development for almost 10 years. We had initially a real difficulty with our sales team. We had a belief inside the company that the market had turned against us and that our sales team, quite frankly, weren't delivering against the requirements of a new changing market. Clearly we could have transformed the sales team by replacing them, or the more measured approach would be to see whether we can apply sensible training and adapt them to the requirements of a new market. We got a recommendation for Excel Training and Development from a colleague, and we went to speak with their Managing Director, Andrew Jones, in order to scope a transformation project out. He recommended to us that we should undertake a number of profiles for the sales team so we could really understand their strengths, their weaknesses and their selling styles, understand what was required by the changing market circumstances, and we came to the conclusion that we needed to be a much more consultative based selling organisation where we could sell more effectively on non-price factors rather than simply taking orders and relying on those orders, if you like, to come from the customers themselves. So we did this by developing an in-house company program, highly tailored to the needs of our team. It combined both elements of in-house training, formal classroom style training, so we properly understood what we were trying to achieve in terms of selling principles and ideals, and we complemented this with one-on-one in-field training. So for example, one of the trainers from Excel would accompany our sales team member in the field, and they would visit customers together, and we could do immediate after visit analysis of what went well, what didn't go so well, and how we could improve upon that. Latterly, we've taken this course further. We do constant refreshing, and over the years we've expanded our services with Excel to include formal sales recruitment. So for example, we've just completed the recruitment of a business development manager very successfully. Again, that combined elements of profiling using psychometric testing and analysis of needs, so we can bring the two together, and then support in the interview situation and post-interview analysis for the selection of the right individual. We've done that on several occasions now, and they've always proved to be very worthwhile. In addition, we've used Excel to help with getting the back office processes right, to make sure we're doing the right sorts of things to support the sales team, such as the marketing literature, sales support at the point of use in the field, and various other process improvements of that sort. Taken together, I'd say the results from applying 7 to 8 years or more of consistent sales training and development have transformed the nature of the sales process in our company. Over that period, we've gone from a position where we were losing sales to now actively growing our numbers. And over the past 3 years, we've consistently exceeded 10% growth. We win a lot more customers, and we've deepened the relationships of our existing customer base. Taken together, I can't say enough about how much I feel about how good Excel Training are, and I would thoroughly recommend them to other managers in other organisations.